A 12-year-old girl who can't stop sneezing. She sneezes about, are you ready for this, 12,000 times per day.
A 12-year-old girl unexpectedly started sneezing one day and hasn't been able to stop. And at first, her family didn't think much of it, but it quickly became serious.
All of a sudden it kind of started in just like little spurts.
Caitlin now averaging about 20 sneezes per minute.
It's really painful.
Because the sneezing never slowed down.
Can't eat well, she has to sip, she can't drink.
But despite multiple medical tests, doctors still haven't been able to figure out what's causing it.
She can't go to school, she can't play her clarinet, the sneezing is just too distracting.
I want nothing more than for this to end.